Now everybody, we got a Ford Fusion 2013, but if your Fusion looks like this, I think it's up to maybe 2020. It's gonna be pretty much the same thing. So this one happens to be a hybrid, shouldn't really matter. It's gonna be the same thing. We got a bad motor mount, and it's gonna be this one right here. We got the part from AutoZone. We always go to AutoZone, never O'Reilly's. I don't know why. So that's the part number right there. And how do we know it's bad? Well, besides it hitting, let me see if I can get a angle from here. You see right there at the bottom of it? You see how it's touching? Better lighting right there. The rubber's touching the metal, so there's no gap at all. And then if we look at the new one, look at that. Oh, it's upside down. You see that big gap? There you go. So you know it's bad because it's already touching it. So we're gonna have to take it off. How do we take it off? You see that bolt right there? That one right there, and it's got another one on the other side. Those are gonna be 15s. Those are pretty easy to get to. The only problem is gonna be these three right here, 1, 2, 3. And it's gonna be because you can't really fit anything because you see how it hits with the little metal right there. So we're just gonna have to take off this metal piece. And then when you actually take it off, you're gonna have to take off the electrical right here. It's pretty easy. And before we do anything else, let's get rid of this and this little metal piece. Let's not touch anything else yet. But this is gonna only be for the hybrid. So if you have the hybrid like this one, you're gonna have this cover right here, which is gonna have to come off because, like we said, there's no way you could put a socket because it's gonna hit with this metal piece right here. So we're gonna have to take it off. If you have the regular gas one, this shouldn't be a problem. You could skip this step. So you're gonna have a, I think 8mm right here, a screw. And then the other one is right here, another 8, and then we're gonna take off this hose, and I think this one just pops up. We might have to take it apart from there. Let's do it. All right, so now that we're here, we could actually take off this piece right here. So it looks like these come off right there. So this is gonna be another 8 right here, and another 8 right here. Let's take it off. There it is. You see that? All right, so they're actually 10s, not 8s. So once you do that, check this out. You take this off, and now you finally got the space. But like I said, this is only for the hybrid, nothing else. But before you start taking any of these, let's jack up the engine. We got the car in the air. We still haven't touched the motor mount at all, not even a little bit. We got the Harbor Freight jack, so we got the jack stands too, just in case. Like I said, we haven't touched anything here at all, just disconnected everything. And now we have to take off this big cover right here. It's a bunch of 10s. You'll see them like 10, 10. Right here, a couple on the bottom. So let's take this off so we can jack the engine up. So now comes the part where you have to jack up the engine. Let me just show you how we set it up. So we put the piece of wood right there. We line it up. And then we're gonna do it right from the oil pan. It's just a little bit, not too much. Let's see. So you're pretty much gonna wanna align it like this. And once you do that, you'll feel it. You'll jack up the engine just a little bit, barely. Right now it's still in the air, just to show you guys for the video. But we are gonna lower the car down. I'm gonna put it right there and I'm gonna jack it up just a little bit to where you see that it moves a little bit, just so it's holding. You don't wanna jack it all the way up, just so it's holding. These are gonna be the 18s. Let's try it out. There's one. Two. Oh, you see that? How it went a little bit down? Jack it up a little bit. Boom. There you go. That should be enough right there. And number 3. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna do the two 15s on the sides. And it looks like we're missing one more. Right there, you see that one right there? So we're gonna have to take this off. I believe it's just a 10 right here. And just from right here, slip it out. and that should be able to access us space for that bolt. And there it is. The other one that we forgot, what size is it? We'll check right now. So it looks like it's going to be a 21. We got it right here. Let's take it off. There it is. It's a big one. I will pick it up right now. Move this to the side. And there you go. You just pull it out. That's what we had to get all the cables out, everything out of the way. We got it. So we got the new one right there and the old one right here. The only thing that's different is going to be this right here, this little piece. This one doesn't have the bracket. We called and they said they discontinued these. I don't know if it's original from the car 2013, so that's what the new one looks like, but pretty much the same thing though, so you can't even get this anyways. So don't worry about it. So with the old one now, this is the new one right here. It's gonna be pretty much the same exact thing in reverse. Nothing spilling, everything's good. The engine's still jacked up, so let's put it on. Let's be careful. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Might have to jack it up a little bit. There you go. See that? So now we're just gonna mess around with it, move it a little bit, but the holes aligned, this one, we're gonna have to push it here and there. Should be good though. So once you're putting all the nuts back into there, remember, don't use a impact wrench like I did to take them off. That's just to take them off. Don't do it to put them back in. Feel everything by hand first, tighten everything by hand, and make sure to torque everything to specs. We'll get the torque specs off the computer in a little bit. All right, so the new motor mount is on. Everything's already torqued. We still got to do our electrical connections, that little plate that we took off, that cover that's up there also, and the one on the bottom. But besides this, just do everything in reverse, rewatch everything. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.